What is up YouTube people, welcome back to MP World. In this video today I'm going to show you how to fix your Face ID is not working or it is showing your iPhone, move your iPhone higher or lower. Right now I'm holding iPhone 11 Pro Max. This iPhone is having Face ID problem, and now I will explain why Face ID get damaged and how to check your Face ID sensor, like which part is not working. And I will also explain about how to fix your Face ID by following few steps. Let's have a look. Let's do the general troubleshooting. Sometimes it may happen your iPhone could show Face ID is unavailable or higher or lower option, or Face ID is unavailable. So for fixing this, you have to go inside settings, and inside settings you will have this Face ID and passcode option, and inside this here we can see reset Face ID option. So after resetting your Face ID, then it might work, but what if it doesn't work? That time you have to do the force restarting. For force restarting, you have to press up volume button and very quickly press down volume button, then press lock button until you see the Apple logo. If it doesn't work, then you have to reset your iPhone from general. So inside general you have to scroll down and you will have this reset option. So after resetting, you have to set up your Face ID again, and I hope this will work. But now I will tell you about what if it doesn't work. Then restore your iPhone. Before restoring your iPhone, make sure your all important file is backed up with your iCloud or on your computer. This process gonna take 10 to 15 minutes. Actually, it's depending on your internet speed. Now let's come to why does this Face ID get damaged. If you drop your iPhone into water, then it may get water damage because your iPhone water resistant seal may get damaged very easily. Actually, I'm telling you how. If your iPhone get overheated, then water resistant seal can be melted. And if you open your iPhone or if you do any execution inside your iPhone, like if you do any screen replacement, that also will damage your water resistant seal. Then water can easily go inside your phone and it will damage your iPhone Face ID sensor. Now another easy way to get your iPhone Face ID problem, that is if you drop your iPhone on hard surface such as on floor or any concrete, that can also damage your Face ID sensor because Face ID is very secure and sensitive. Now I will show you how to check your iPhone Face ID sensor. First, we will check dot projector and proximity sensor. Make a phone call to confirm whether the proximity sensor is working. We can see it's normal. Continue to test the ambient light sensor, which is also working. Now open the camera app and swipe the portrait mode. We can see that background is not blurred. Now check the dot projector. We can see there is no flashing red light from the dot projector. We can see dot projector is malfunctioned. If you can detect your dot projector is not working, then you have to go to Apple Store for fixing your Face ID. And that's it. Thank you for watching guys, and if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you get any trouble with this video, please do let me know on comment section below. I will try to help you as much I can, and I will see you with another solution based video. Till then, stay healthy.